All right, here is a recent purchase of about a month ago. 99 Trans Am WS6, 67,500 miles on it. Bought it for 16,500, which if you look at the market for these, insane deal for the condition that it's in. It does have minor cosmetic issues. There's a little crease right here. Nothing, I'm not too worried about them. 2 little dents. Nothing bad. You should be able to see that. That could probably be fixed with the paintless dent repair. Ultimately, everything else is in pretty good shape. Nothing really wrong with the front. There's a, where was that chip? A fairly decent sized chip right there. Nothing too bad. Outside is in great shape comparative to what you might see for this year. You know, tires, and actually, or I should say the rims are in really good shape. You know, considering that there's almost always road rash. And there is some road rash. Nothing crazy. I don't even know where it is at the moment, but right here. But it's really not as bad as you would expect. It does have its issues, you know, the antenna doesn't go all the way down. It does go up and down, but that's as far as it goes down now. It's normal. It's pretty stock. There is a SLP loudmouth exhaust. I'd probably prefer a Borla, but this is pretty good. It is pretty loud. You know, because it's practically a straight pipe. They put something that looks like a muffler on it. It's not. It's just basically a bigger section of the pipe. The top we've got no bubbles or anything up here. The inserts are gone. Luckily, I have some from my old Firebird, so I've got those. This tail light here has a pretty big crack in it. Luckily, my old Firebird, I had a light that got a small, that big of a crack in it. I have that. It is for this side, so I can replace this easy. Interior is in actually really good shape. It has the standard issues, you know, cracks in the door. You'll have that, you know, it's common. This one has a crack that goes all the way up through the plastic. That's to be expected as well. But as far as interior goes, you can see no rips. Same thing with the other side. It has a little bit of flaking in the shitty leather. I think it's like right in here, a couple little pieces, but it's, considering how old the vehicle is, it's actually in very good shape. Full upgraded stereo. Stereo is different, obviously. All 6 speakers have been changed out to, I think, Pioneer. It's got a sub in the back, 10-inch, I believe it is. And sounds pretty good. Oh, I forgot to mention all the interior, other than the shifter and the stereo, of course. It's all original carpets. I even have the original book. It even has, what is this, for the lock, I think? The wheel lock. The only thing it doesn't have is the window sticker. So all of that is surprising. You know, you don't find them with that. But everything is pretty good. There are some leaks that need some attention. They aren't like drips, you know, more just weeping than anything else. So I'll have to address those, but it's going to be something good to tinker on. I've got to replace the rear shocks. They clunk when you go over bumps. I mean, that's a fucking 30-minute job. I mean, that's easy. Those things are so simple. Front's good. Panhard bar on the back looks to be a little old, but it's, you know, aftermarket, of course. Strut tower for the front is in. That was not put there by me. That was in there before. Gets like 50, 60 pounds of oil pressure, so that's amazing. But what do you expect? 67,000 miles. Other than that, I think that's really it for now. We'll be having other videos, modifications, repairs, stuff like that. Some driving videos. This is probably, as far as cars go, this starts up faster than my daily driver. I could literally just flick the switch and it starts. That's how quick it starts. It's really good. But we will have more videos in the near future with a bunch of different stuff, so follow along.